Unboxing time again. Another new one from Lattafa, Art of Nature 1. If you guys couldn't tell, I love Lattafa. Let's check it out. EDP concentration. This one's from their Pride line. It's supposed to be similar to Oud Marcuja. Another nice box. Really stuck in there. Love these Pride line bottles. And this one you can actually see through the side. See how it smells. All right, atomizer. Oof, strong out in the air. Wow, I really like that. Fruity, leathery, a little green, a little floral. Maybe it's leather, maybe it's oud. Smells really good. I really dig this one. Let's check the notes out. In the top you get fig, plum, and blackcurrant. In the mid you get leather, rhubarb, and rose. And in the base you get oud, ambergris, and vanilla. Definitely plum and fig. Smells amazing. I'm super excited to wear this one. This one's supposed to have really good performance. I'm going to test it. I'll get back to you guys and let you know in a future video. And until then, stay blessed.